Here comes Nathan. He's going to do a dive.
Ready?
Yeah, watch. Here it goes. Woo! Wow. Perfect. All right, let's see the big guys do some cannonballs.
Do some what?
Cannonballs. Yep. Where's that butterfly stroke, Mr. Phelps? Woo! Who was that? Nathan, come on, do another dive.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Ready. Good. Okay. All right, who else is going to do some fancy stuff?
My feet are caught.
Right, throw Ronald. Sorry, Nathan. Throw Ronald McDonald. Throw Ronald.
Bri. Hi. You want to throw Ronald McDonald in the water? At the pool? Rawr. Okay, one more dive, Nathan.
Right, where's Ronald?
Oh, right here. Ready?
Ready.
Yes, I see him. Nice.